Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can display only the relevant images for each product variant on your Shopify store. In other words, when a customer clicks on a color or a style, they'll only see the images for that exact variant. By the end of this video, your product galleries will be so much clearer and more user-friendly, which means happier customers and potentially more sales. Let's dive right into the process. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard and find the app search bar. There, you'll want to type in the word Rubik. Rubik is a popular app for managing variant images, and installing it will give you the control you need over which images are shown for each product option. Go ahead and click on Rubik in the search results, then follow the prompts to install it on your store. Don't worry if you get a couple of permissions pop-ups. That's totally normal, and it just means the app needs access to your products so it can work its magic. Once you have Rubik installed, move to your product list and select the product you want to work on. At this stage, you'll see all your product images grouped together, which is how Shopify handles them by default. But what we want is for the images to update every time a customer picks a different color or size. That's where Rubik comes in. Look for the Variant tab, usually right alongside where you see All Images. Click on Variant. Now, this is where the real organization happens. For each variant, say red or blue, you'll be able to assign specific images that only show when that variant is selected. Take a moment to go through your list. For example, if you have a shirt in 3 colors, and you've uploaded separate photos for each color, this is where you match the red photos to the red variant, the blue photos to the blue, and so on. Just tick the checkbox or select the images that belong with each color. Don't rush this part, it's worth double-checking, so your shoppers get the right images every time. Once you're happy with your selections, click Save. This part might take a few moments as the app updates your product settings behind the scenes. With the images now linked to their correct variants, there's another important step, activating the changes on your storefront. Go ahead and click Activate within the Rubik app, which usually appears as a bold button. This tells Rubik to get ready to sync your new variant image settings with your live theme. Next, you'll see an option to select theme. Here, pick the theme you're currently using on your Shopify store. If you're not sure, you can always double-check by opening the online store Themes page in another tab. Enabling Rubik for your chosen theme ensures customers see the tailored variant images right within your storefront. So, once you've selected your theme, make sure you click Enable, and then hit Save again to lock in these changes. Almost there. Now go back to the main Rubik screen and look for a prompt or button that says, I have done it. Click on that to confirm you've completed all the required steps. The big moment has arrived. Preview your storefront and navigate to the product you just updated. Now, as you click through different color or style options, you should see only the images for that specific variant. It makes the shopping experience so much cleaner and helps your products shine. And that's it. You've just given your online store a serious upgrade. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you run into any questions or want help with other Shopify tips. Make sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow e-commerce tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.